Hi everyone, today we're looking at the Victorinox Swiss Army Rescue Tool. Okay, let's open the box. Here's the tool in the pouch. There's instruction menu, comes with it. Okay, let's put the box aside. Let's look at the instruction manual first. So, on one side it shows you how to use the knife. On the other side, shows you the tool on this knife. The language there are English, French, Chinese, Japanese. Okay, so let's put this aside. Let's look at the knife first. Okay, this Swiss tool is in a pouch. The pouch is made of nylon and it's very bright color, so you can see this or find this very easily in the dark. Okay, let's take the Swiss tool out and put the case aside. So here it says rescue tool. The handle is very nicely made. You can also see this knife in the dark because this handle will glow in the dark. Okay, let's see how many tools on this one. So first one is the standard locking blade. Has a serration on it. Alright, as you can see. Swiss Army knife serration is very nice because it's not hard to sharpen it. Okay. And then there's a locking mechanism. Let's close that. On the other side, there's a locking flat screwdriver. And there's a wire stripper. And you can use this to open the bottle, of course. Okay. It's also in locking position. And after that, there is a seatbelt cutter. Has serration on it. This one is very easy to open. As you can see, this tip here, basically just push and open position. Okay. The last one here, this one is called a disc saw. Victorinox has this video online. You can search on YouTube. Basically, you can use this saw to cut the window. Alright. And this is the glass puncher. Here's Victorinox logo on it. And in the back we have the Phillips head screwdriver. We have the reamer. And the keyring comes with it, and this is attached on the keyring as well when you buy the knife. So as all the standard Swiss Army knife, there's tweezers and a toothpick. It's all very standard. This rescue tool is very nice. I keep in my car. It's pricey. It's around like $60 to $80 range. But I think it's worth it because it's more than just the rescue tool. There's many other functions with it. And there's something else I want to show to you here. You can remove this glass puncher. Basically, just use another. This is a Swiss tool made by Victorinox as well. So you can just grab this and just pull it out. So basically, you can replace this if you want to, I guess. And we're gonna put it back. Just simply push it in, and that's in. That's in already. And there's another tool you can take it out and replace. That's the disc saw. Okay, how you take it out is you see this let me zoom in here. This tip is sticking out, so you can simply just push it. Let me try on the Swiss tool. Show you. Alright, let's try here. Okay, alright, so push that one, and then you can just grab this with the multi-tool and pull it out. So this one is replaceable as well. To install it back, just simply push it. Oh my bad. You have to align, of course. Align first, then just push it back in. You can hear it's in position when you hear the click. So now it's good to use. I personally really like this rescue tool compared to all the other ones in the market, because this one is lifetime warranty. It's made by Victorinox Swiss Army. So if there's anything wrong with it, you can always send it back and get a brand new one. And I really like the design and the color. So talk about the color, let's look at the case. This nylon case. It's very bright color, right? And it's very well made. This is a belt loop. It's huge, so you can put on any belt, I guess. And the rescue tool fits inside perfectly. I just keep in my car in the front seat, and then I can easily access to it. Then if anything happens, I can just easily cut my belt and just escape from the car. And of course, if anyone else on the road needs help, when I have this tool, I can help. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll have the item link below. Thank you.